Discover the top Amazon home and kitchen gadgets that perfectly blend smart design with everyday practicality. From time-saving tools to stylish organizers, these picks will make your daily routine feel effortless. Check out all product links in the description below. SMEG Contemporary Digital Kitchen Scale. Bring precision and style to your kitchen with the SMEG Contemporary Digital Scale. Featuring a sleek block design and removable stainless steel bowl, it combines functionality with timeless aesthetics. The easy-to-read digital display ensures accurate measurements for all ingredients, from baking to meal prep. A perfect balance of elegance and everyday practicality. Automatic Grape and Tomato Peeler. Simplify food prep with the automatic grape and tomato peeler. This electric tool gently removes skins from small fruits like grapes, cherry tomatoes, and garlic with effortless precision. Compact and efficient, it saves time while preserving texture and flavor. Ideal for modern kitchens and healthy snack lovers. Joseph Folio 4-piece cutting board set. Stay organized and hygienic with the Joseph Folio cutting board set. Featuring 4 color-coded boards in a slimline storage case, it keeps meal prep tidy and safe from cross-contamination. Each board includes easy grip edges and knife-friendly surfaces. Elegant in sage green, it's where smart design meets everyday convenience. KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press Attachment. Create fresh, authentic pasta at home with the KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press. Designed with 6 interchangeable plates, it easily produces spaghetti, rigatoni, fusilli, and more. The durable white housing attaches seamlessly to any KitchenAid stand mixer, transforming your kitchen into an Italian trattoria. Quality, tradition, and innovation in one tool. Bella 12-inch electric skillet and frying pan. Cook with ease using the Bella electric skillet and frying pan. The non-stick copper surface ensures effortless food release and quick cleanup, while the removable heating probe offers precise temperature control. Featuring cool touch handles and a tempered glass lid, it's perfect for frying, simmering, and serving right from the pan. iGoStar 3-in-1 Panini Press Grill. Grill, press, and toast with the iGoStar Panini Press Grill. Its ceramic non-stick plates and 180-degree open design make it ideal for sandwiches, meats, and veggies of any size. With 1,000 watts of power, a locking lid, and a drip spout for clean cooking, it's a versatile addition to every kitchen. Compact, stylish, and easy to use. Crimpy Large Tortilla Sealer. Reinvent mealtime with the Crimpy Large Tortilla Sealer. Perfect for creating sealed tacos, burritos, and quesadillas, it delivers mess-free, perfectly folded wraps in seconds. Crafted from BPA-free, dishwasher-safe materials, it's durable, easy to clean, and made in the UK and USA. Fun, fast, and perfect for creative home cooks. Comfy Mini Rice Cooker. Enjoy effortless cooking with the Comfy Mini Rice Cooker. With 6 functions and a 24-hour timer delay, it prepares rice, oatmeal, and grains with precision. The non-stick pot and compact size make it perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go lifestyles. Reliable, portable, and built for everyday convenience. Carbon Steel Wall-Mounted Spice Rack Organizer. Upgrade your kitchen storage with this carbon steel pull-out spice rack. Designed with 2-way movement and silent slider rails, it offers smooth access to your favorite seasonings. The no-drill wall-mounted design saves counter space while adding a modern, high-end touch. Durable, stylish, and built to keep your kitchen beautifully organized. Kiro Large Non-Stick Frying Pan with Glass Lid. Cook with confidence using the Gadget non-stick frying pan featuring a granite-coated surface for effortless food release and easy cleanup. The durable glass lid locks in flavor while allowing you to monitor progress. And its PFOA-free, eco-friendly coating ensures healthy, even cooking every time. A stylish, reliable addition to any modern kitchen. AMZ Chef Portable Induction Cooktop. Experience efficient, precise cooking with the AMZ Chef Portable Induction Cooktop, offering 20 temperature and power levels and an 1800-watt heating coil. The sleek countertop burner ensures fast, even heating with low noise. The touch control panel, built-in timer, and compact design make it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or travel cooking setups.
You made Himalayan salt block with stainless steel tray. Enhance your culinary creations with the You Made Himalayan salt block. Crafted from food-grade pink Himalayan salt, it's perfect for grilling, cooking, or serving gourmet dishes. The stainless steel holder ensures stability and easy handling, while the included recipe booklet inspires creativity. A unique and thoughtful gift for food lovers, chefs, and home entertainers. Bialetti 5.5 quart non-stick pasta pot with strainer lid. Designed for pasta perfection, the Bialetti non-stick pasta pot combines function and innovation. Its oval shape accommodates long noodles, while the twist and lock strainer lid makes straining effortless. Featuring PFOA-free non-stick coating and stay-cool handles, it delivers safe, convenient, and efficient cooking in classic Italian style. Astral Ship 2-in-1 glass air fryer and grill combo. Discover healthier cooking with the Astral Ship 2-in-1 glass air fryer and grill combo. Featuring a transparent glass bowl for visible cooking and dual capacities, 4.2 QT plus 1.3 QT, this smart appliance combines 7 digital presets for air frying, grilling, and roasting. Non-toxic, easy to clean, and low oil, perfect for nutritious, fast meals with style. 40-ounce platinum silicon microwave steamer pot. Steam smarter with this Korean 100% food-grade silicon steamer pot. Heat-resistant and microwave-safe, it features a vented lid and handle for safe, quick cooking. Dishwasher-safe and non-toxic, this bright yellow steamer brings convenience and color to healthy meal prep, from vegetables to dumplings. Silicon electric food warming mat. Keep your meals warm and ready with this fast-heating silicone food warming mat. Designed with 4 adjustable temperature settings and raised feet to protect tabletops, it rolls up easily for storage and travel. Perfect for parties, buffets, or cozy family dinners. This portable food warmer is practical, safe, and energy efficient. AMZ Chef Double Induction Cooktop with Griddle Pan. Level up your kitchen with the AMZ Chef Double Induction Cooktop, featuring 2 burners and a removable non-stick griddle pan. With sensor touch controls, 9 power levels, and a 99-minute timer, it delivers restaurant-grade precision in a sleek iron gray design. Ideal for multitasking home cooks or compact cooking spaces. Portable USB blender for shakes and smoothies. Blend on the go with this 500 milliliter portable USB blender. Compact yet powerful, it easily prepares smoothies, shakes, and juices anywhere, at home, work, or outdoors. The rechargeable design and easy clean bottle make it an everyday essential for health-conscious, active lifestyles. Simple, sleek, and convenient. Sansart 17-piece detachable handle cookware set. Upgrade your kitchen with the Sansart 17-piece non-stick cookware set. Featuring detachable handles for easy storage and oven use, this PFOA-free induction-safe set combines versatility with healthy, even cooking. The elegant white finish and durable non-stick surface make it perfect for homes, RVs, and compact kitchens alike. Sustace rotary cheese grater with handle. Transform your kitchen prep with the Sustace rotary cheese grater, featuring 5 precision-engineered blades for shredding, slicing, and chopping a variety of foods. The ergonomic handle and strong suction base ensure safe, stable operation, while the included blade storage box keeps everything organized. Perfect for cheese, vegetables, nuts, and more. Efficient, compact, and easy to clean. 2025 Advanced Olive Oil Sprayer. 500 milliliters, 17 ounces. Elevate your cooking control with this 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer and dispenser bottle. The 500 milliliter glass design delivers an even, fine mist for air fryers, salads, and barbecues, while its portion control feature helps you cook healthier with less oil. Sleek, leak-resistant, and durable, it's a modern kitchen essential for precision and style. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. Simplify meal prep with the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper, equipped with a 350-watt motor and 3-cup capacity for quick chopping, dicing, and pureeing. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for herbs, onions, nuts, or dressings. A must-have kitchen helper that saves time without sacrificing consistency or flavor.